Seniors, eat these 7 herbs before bed to restore clear vision naturally. Do you wake up with gritty, dry eyes or feel a surge of panic when streetlights begin to blur while driving home at night? It is a heartbreaking reality for many seniors that vision loss often signals the end of independence, as simple tasks like reading or recognizing a familiar face become exhausting struggles. However, you have been misled if you think this is just an inevitable part of aging. In fact, global statistics show that age-related macular degeneration, or ARMD, is a primary cause of irreversible blindness, with a projected 288 million people affected by 2040. These are not just numbers, they represent individuals facing potential permanent central vision loss because traditional treatments are often too costly or come too late. But your body is not falling apart, it is simply issuing an invitation to be cared for. New scientific insights suggest that specific botanicals, when taken before bed, can work with your body's nightly repair cycles to restore clarity. Please like, share, and subscribe to support our mission of bringing health secrets to seniors everywhere. Stay with us until the very end, because the final herb on our list is an ancient remedy that clears the fog from your sight. Let's explore the first golden secret to your visual recovery. 1. Saffron, the golden threads of retinal regeneration. Saffron is far more than just the world's most expensive spice. It is a clinical powerhouse for the aging eye. Often referred to as the golden elixir, this spice contains 2 unique bioactive compounds, crocin and crocetin, which possess the rare ability to pass through the blood-retinal barrier to target damaged areas directly. If you are struggling with the early stages of maculopathy, you should know that daily supplementation with just 20 milligrams of saffron has been shown in clinical trials to improve retinal sensitivity within just 3 months. A revolutionary study published in the Journal of Translational Medicine followed seniors with moderate ARMD and documented unprecedented results, showing an actual improvement in vision by an average of 2 lines on the Snellen chart. This research is particularly exciting because it confirms that photoreceptor cells, once thought to be permanently dormant, can begin functioning again after 90 days of nightly consumption. Beyond just visual sharpness, saffron acts as a neuroprotectant, shielding your eyes from the oxidative stress that triggers cell death. To maximize these benefits before bed, you can steep 15 to 20 high-quality saffron threads in warm milk for 15 minutes. The fats in the milk help create micelles that protect the crocin during digestion, ensuring it reaches your retina intact. It is quite comforting to realize that such a gentle ritual can provide an increase in blood flow to your eyes simply by lying in a horizontal position after consumption. We often feel a quiet guilt for needing help as we age, but there is no shame in this chapter of life, only an opportunity to meet it with care. Are you ready to let this ancient spice protect your future? While saffron works on your central vision, our next herb focuses on the silent thief of sight, glaucoma. 2. Ginkgo Biloba, the living fossil that boosts ocular blood flow. If you are concerned about the silent pressure building in your eyes, Ginkgo Biloba may be your most vital ally. As the most commonly used herbal supplement by seniors today, ginkgo is prized for its ability to improve peripheral and cerebral blood flow, which is essential for nourishing the optic nerve. For those suffering from normal tension glaucoma, where damage occurs even with normal eye pressure, a study presented to the American Academy of Ophthalmology revealed that ginkgo extract could significantly improve pre-existing visual field damage. The mechanism is fascinating. Ginkgo acts as a cerebrospinal dilator, stabilizing the mitochondria in your retinal ganglion cells and making them far more resilient to the oxidative stress that typically causes them to die off. Clinical researchers at the University of Brescia found that taking 40 milligrams of ginkgo 3 times daily yielded statistically significant improvements in visual field indices. A very useful tip for seniors is to ensure your extract is standardized to contain 24% flavonoid glycosides and 6% terpenes, as these are the components responsible for reducing blood viscosity and preventing cell membrane damage. By taking this herb before bed, you allow its vasoregulatory effects to peak while your body is at rest, potentially preventing the nocturnal hypotension that often starves the optic nerve of blood during the night. It is important to remember that you are not broken, you are becoming whole again, one evening at a time. It is a bridge of hope for those who fear losing their peripheral vision. But what if your eyes are simply tired and struggling to see in the dark? 3. Bilberry, the World War II secret for sharp night vision. The story of the bilberry is one of the most intriguing in the history of ocular health, beginning with British Royal Air Force pilots during World War II who reportedly ate bilberry jam to enhance their night vision for missions. Modern science has since validated these claims, discovering that bilberries contain anthocyanins that regenerate rhodopsin, the protein in your eyes responsible for seeing in low light. For a senior, this can be the difference between a terrifying night drive and a confident journey home. A groundbreaking study published in the European Journal of Ophthalmology followed 400 seniors and found that consuming bilberry extract before bed significantly reduced the progression of macular degeneration. These dark purple berries also improve blood circulation in the smallest of capillaries, ensuring that every part of your retina receives the nutrients it needs to heal while you sleep. Interestingly, if you use frozen bilberries, you may actually receive more anthocyanins because the freezing process breaks down the cellular walls, making the nutrients more bioavailable. For the best results, you should consume your bilberries on an empty stomach or with a small amount of yogurt, as protein enhances absorption, whereas certain carbohydrates can reduce it. Many elders feel a sense of loss as their vision dims, but bilberry is nature's way of saying it is not too late to support what still wants to grow strong in you. As we move from berries to roots, we find a spice that targets the very rust of the eye. 4. Turmeric, the antiseptic root that clears the lens. Turmeric and its active compound curcumin is globally famous for its antiseptic properties, but its role in preventing cataracts is a secret that could save your sight. The primary cause of many age-related eye problems is the oxidation of the eye lens, a process similar to the rusting of metal, which eventually leads to cloudiness. Curcumin acts as a powerful shield, exhibiting strong antioxidative and anti-inflammatory properties that ameliorate the destructive roles of oxidative stress within the ocular structures. Research from UCLA has shown that when you pair turmeric with a tiny pinch of black pepper, you can increase its anti-inflammatory effects significantly because the piperine in pepper opens cellular channels for absorption. This is crucial because chronic low-grade inflammation can trigger immune hyperactivity in retinal cells, leading to long-term damage. Curcumin also helps reduce the formation of advanced glycation end products, or AGEs, which are particularly dangerous for seniors with high blood sugar as they cause protein damage in the retina. To incorporate this into your bedtime routine, consider a golden milk tea. By mixing turmeric into warm milk with a dash of black pepper and a healthy fat, you ensure the fat-soluble curcumin is absorbed effectively while you rest. Have you ever noticed how your eyes feel less strained after a meal rich in natural spices? This is because these botanicals are actively neutralizing the free radicals that accumulate during a long day. Now, let us look at a herb that was specifically named for its remarkable ability to soothe the eyes. 5. Eyebright, the traditional European remedy for itchy eyes. Eyebright is an herb that has been used in Europe for centuries, specifically to soothe itchy eyes and combat the discomfort of conjunctivitis. For many seniors, dry, irritated eyes are a constant source of misery, often leading to a cycle of rubbing that further damages the delicate surface of the cornea. Eyebright contains natural tannins and flavonoids that act as a gentle astringent, reducing the redness and swelling associated with environmental allergens. While many modern treatments focus solely on the internal health of the eye, Eyebright reminds us that the ocular surface is our first line of defense against vision loss. When the cornea is damaged by oxidative stress or smoke, it can result in painful anterior eye disorders. Using Eyebright as a gentle, lukewarm compress before bed can help relax the tiny muscles around your eyes and encourage natural tear production, providing a reset for your vision before you enter sleep. It is a moment of sacred stillness in a world that asks too much of our eyes through constant screen use and artificial light. Many seniors find that this simple, modest herb provides a level of calm and clarity that more expensive, chemical-heavy eye drops simply cannot match. This traditional wisdom is now being rediscovered by those who prefer natural alternatives for their long-term eye health. But did you know that your evening cup of tea might also be a potent vision protector? 6. Green tea, the antioxidant elixir for inner eye pressure. Your evening cup of green tea is far more than a relaxing habit. It is a source of epigallocatechin gallate, a flavonoid that provides massive protection for your retinal neurons. For seniors concerned about glaucoma and high intraocular pressure, green tea has shown a remarkable ability to protect retinal neurons from injuries caused by pressure spikes. The compounds in green tea help reduce vascular leakage and permeability, which is a key factor in preventing the progression of retinal damage. Furthermore, research indicates that the catechins in green tea can reduce dark circles and puffiness, reflecting its ability to improve circulation in the delicate tissues surrounding the eyes. One of the most fascinating findings is that green tea extract possesses an anti-cataract effect, helping to maintain the transparency of the lens by modulating antioxidative enzymes. However, it is a little-known tip that you should never consume green tea at the same time as goji berries, as the tannins can block the absorption of key nutrients like zeaxanthin. Instead, enjoy your tea as a standalone ritual at least 2 hours before your other supplements to ensure your visual system receives the full spectrum of its benefits. It is a simple, affordable way to wash your eyes with antioxidants from the inside out. Our final herb is an ancient remedy that targets both cataracts and inflammation. 7. Fennel, the ancient cure for watery and inflamed eyes. Fennel is a kitchen herb with a long and storied history in traditional medicine, particularly for its ability to treat watery and inflamed eyes. Beyond these mild conditions, fennel has been used historically to treat more serious ailments like cataracts and glaucoma. Its power lies in its rich profile of phytochemicals that act as a natural anti-inflammatory, helping to clear the fog that often settles over a senior's vision due to chronic irritation. In the past, fennel was often used as an eye wash to soothe the symptoms of allergies, but even including it in your evening meal can provide systemic benefits. The antioxidants found in fennel help scavenge free radicals that would otherwise cause lipid peroxidation in the retina, a process that leads to the slow degeneration of your sight. If you struggle with eyes that constantly tear up or feel heavy at the end of the day, a warm fennel-infused broth or tea can provide the necessary antioxidant defense to stabilize your eye's natural environment. It is a reminder that nature often hides its greatest wisdom in the ordinary foods that have always been near us, waiting to be remembered. Your eyes have witnessed a lifetime of beauty and detail. They deserve this moment of tending. Healing does not happen in noise. It happens in silence, in sleep, and in the faithful repetition of these simple things. Your journey to restoring your vision naturally is a path of presence over distraction and care over convenience. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and join our community of seniors who are reclaiming their health one evening at a time. You must understand that vision loss is a silent killer of independence, and if you choose to ignore these natural protective measures, you are leaving your eyes vulnerable to the devastating consequences of irreversible blindness. The world may grow dimmer on the outside, but by nourishing your light from within, you can wake up every morning feeling alive, healing, and whole. In our next video, we will reveal the golden morning routine that can boost your energy and sharpen your mind in under 5 minutes. You won't want to miss how one simple stretch can change your entire day. See you there.